Welcome to our video on TNL Collapsible Cookware. We were Group 7 in Engines 21. Our members included Taylor Stadelli and Luca DeLeo, and we wanted to take you through the process of Engines 21 from where we started to where we finished throughout the term. At the start of the term, Professor Chapman brought the question to us, how can we assist people living in nature? He decided to open that up to assistance in the whole world. Since we were able to broaden our focus, we had to start thinking rather quick. Once Taylor and I decided what we were going to do, we decided to push forward and solve the issue of limited space when you're going out camping or enjoying the great outdoors. We first worked on drawing up our prototypes in PowerPoint and just sketching them out on paper. Then the second phase we worked into was building it out of cardboard and other stiffer materials to get a proper understanding of what the first prototype would look like. This would help us tweak our product for our second and then third prototype. Working through prototypes 1 and 2 actually helped us accomplish our final form in prototype number 3. Once we were working on our final product design, we had to put it into a CAD model and build every piece electronically so that you can get a visual for how they would fit together once you went to go buy all the parts. Using all the tools and kits that we were sent over mail, we were able to construct and fabricate our products at home. Taylor and I worked on retrofitting 2 different existing items to help us accomplish our goal of making our collapsible cookware. From our 3 main components of items, we actually fabricated one of them on our own. Once we started working towards our final presentation, we not only looked at how to build and construct these products that we made from our own ideas, but also looked at the financial and business side of everything. We looked at how we could possibly compete in the market, what our costs would be, how they would get to market, what would it look like if we were to have patents made on our product, and finally, if we actually went to do the patents on our product, we looked at what the timeline would be like and see how long it would actually take. When we first started to tackle how we improve an already existing product, we had to go through the specifics. We worked through durability, versatility, lightweight, ease of use, and many more. When Taylor and I wanted to start putting all the pieces together, we not only used our own ideas, but we also obtained insight from possible users and/or purchasers of the product. Being able to hear the opinions of possible users was very helpful. We had to put our product through multiple tests, figuring out what materials would hold up, such as aluminum, cast iron, if we could do non-stick coating. We had to do the research on testing different thermal energies between the products. Then we had to do some stress testing, different opening and closing of latches. We had to open and close until there was a failure, unfortunately, but we can always learn from this. We could now make our product even better than it was before, and we could give the consumers a way better product. It was amazing to see the start to finish of the product, but the product's never finished. There's always things we can continue to do to improve them, and that's where we gained the insight from people in the actual field. We were able to call up different companies, get their insight on what we were doing, and hearing firsthand information from people that work in the field and prepare products that we're trying to put into market. Taylor and I want to thank you for watching, and we are very excited to see the future inventions of the students in Engines 21.